Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're taking a look at this brand new 2023 Keystone Cougar 320RDS. Before we get started, don't forget, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification icon so you get notified when we have a brand new video upload. But let's start on the outside. Just like you get inside this camper, you get a massive space for you and your friends to hang out right outside of your entryway. Some cool things that we think are this grab handle. It holds itself to the side of the camper with a pin, but when pulled out, it provides a nice and sturdy place to use to get up these steps and into the camper. On this side, we also have our rear den slide out, so it's in the very back, so you don't have to worry about it being in the way of anything. And we have an awning that creates a pretty secluded area with a really amazing LED light strip. It's also, of course, close to our pass-through storage, which is a massive area that you can use to fill with chairs, tables, and even things that you need like tools and cords. In this space, you have plenty of areas to clean off and keep it nice and clean in here, as well as extra outlets and cable ports. On that side, you've got your convenient bay and everything you need when you get to the campground and or when you're winterizing it. We have a few different battery disconnects on this unit, some underneath that front cap, and then some solar ones down here in our pass-through storage. But let's go up those steps and inside. Right inside of our entryway, your guests have a few more options of places to go. It's not secluded or even confined in this area that can go towards the living space or even the kitchen or towards the restroom. We also have our control panel and some of those important light switches really close to our front door entrance. And it's all on a really smart tablet. And I love that it has a passcode so that no kids can accidentally touch something or get into things that they're not supposed to be. But let's move towards the kitchen. Moving right along into our kitchen space, we pass a nice little area for a coffee pot or even a wet bar. You've got a nice light underneath it, as well as storage up top. And we even have an outlet here that does connect to our solar power. So only a few outlets here and there work with your solar only. But if you're plugged up at the campsite, you're running full on. You even have a pantry that has lots of space. I love the little textured glass front that we have. And there's a light way up there, and there's a secret entrance to this pantry, but we'll get to that in a second. The fridge in this particular camper is a Furrion fridge. It does have a nice screw lock in it, but again, those things change, so double check before you purchase. We also have a 3-burner top Furrion stove. I love that it comes with its own splash guard and of course those metal blinds behind it that are easier to clean. We have the lighted up knobs and lots of storage around our cooking space. Plenty of prep space, especially because this is a slide. So when it's on travel mode, all this will be brought in, but while it's out, we've got lots of space to prepare, even have some appetizers out. And our sink is located just quite literally around the corner here. 50-50 split sink, nice big faucet that looks like it's a residential one. And again, it lights up from underneath it. We have amazing accents that make it feel like it's at home. And this is just a really great kitchen to entertain in. But speaking of entertaining, check out this couch. If you like to entertain at the campground and you like to have your friends all sit around and laugh, this is the place to do it. And if you've got a few friends tagging along, there's actually a trifold sofa in here as well, but we could fit definitely more than just 2 people on this sleeping space. But we do have some extra storage not too far away. Check this out, a continuous cabinet with each little doors to open up, and we've got some push on and off lights for accent. Your couch has a great view of this large window, but if you want to watch TV, our TV is located hidden away on a televator, and that is a large TV, and it's a smart TV as well. We also have extra space down here for any storage or any electronics you want to bring, as well as drawers for DVDs and an extra cabinet for any extra pillows or sheets that your guests might need. We also have a fireplace here. This is a massive fireplace. We can change the lights on this, the flames, the backlight, and it is a heater as well. And incorporated in all of this space is our dinette option. I love this is a rear den that you have a dinette, so if you have people eating, you can all eat together, or you can watch a movie from this table if you want to do a puzzle or something. All in all, this floor plan has amazing space because of our large slide there and our smaller one here. So we've got plenty of room for guests and or food making, but in the front is the private bedroom and the bathroom. The bathroom is a great layout. We even have some upgrades like this big shower with the glass doors. You still get a really great size sink, a side mounted faucet with a medicine cabinet up above. And above your toilet, you've got a few extra spaces to hang some things. But I talked about a secret door. This may look like a normal space, but we're actually looking into the top shelf of the pantry in the kitchen. So if you need snacks, or if you're just unloading your groceries, you can do basically a 2-in-1 by putting all your toilet paper and your bathroom things in basically the same closet. The private bedroom comes with a really massive bed. We have a small little cubby here at the front, which is located in a slide. 2 windows, 1 on each side, and you do get a bedside table. It's just up a little higher. Each person has their own light you can turn on and off, and the light switch is not far from the bed, so you don't have to get up to turn off all the lights. We also have a giant closet, which we'll get to, and a window right in front of our bed that we can look out onto the outdoor entertainment space. Our closet has a trifold door that all has mirrors on it, so you don't have to worry about packing that full-length mirror. And check out all of this space with even a little bit of a bench here, or you can use it for shoes as you hang up all of your clothes above my head. An extra closet is right here, but that's for your washer and dryer combo, or I guess you can use it for maybe your fishing supplies, hunting supplies, or whatever you do while you're on your vacations. So what do you think of this floor plan? Would you and your family and friends come on a weekend in this thing? Let us know below. And if you have any questions, drop them below or give us a call or a text at our store number. And always visit us online at cookeville.rv.com where your adventure awaits.